This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Jennifer Hadley. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence features a modern open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Features include beautiful, gleaming hardwood flooring in bedrooms, hallway and living areas and tile in the kitchen, laundry room, bathrooms, and entry. A see-through gas fireplace with logs adds warmth and ambience to several rooms. Plenty of storage in the walk-in dry pantry and 2 separate floored attic areas. Enjoy the benefits of freshly painted interiors throughout, new faucets in the kitchen and bathrooms and a new chimney cap. Vince's backyard highlights a newly painted wooden deck, ideal for relaxation and entertaining. Home is pre-wired for security system and equipped with a Nest Thermostat. High-speed internet access, fiber optic, is available in the community. Residents have exclusive access to a private park and walking trail owned by the Neighborhood HOA. This wonderful, convenient neighborhood is minutes away from Shelby Farms, the Greenline, restaurants, and shopping. For more information,